Everyone, good evening to all of you and Assalamu alaikum. I'm Muhammad Abrar Adil, a student of MA English Literature, Maulana Azad National Urdu University, Hyderabad. Today I'm going to analyze an important text by Albert Camus, The Outsider. Especially today I'm going to analyze the existentialism in Albert Camus' The Outsider. Who is Albert Camus? Albert Camus was closely associated with French literature in Europe. He was one of the major contributors of existentialism philosophy. He was a French Algerian philosopher, author, and a journalist. Uh, he won the Nobel Prize in Literature at the age of 44 in 1957. And his views contributed to the rise of the philosophy known as absurdism, and also he considered to be as an existentialist. And The Stranger, an enigmatic first novel by Albert Camus, was published in French as L'Étranger in 1942, and it was published as The Outsider in England, and it was published as The Stranger in the United States. And the following The Outsider, The Plague was published in 1947. For this novel, he achieved the Nobel Prize in 1947. And The Fall was published in 1956. And he wrote many short stories and plays and gained many literary fame. And many philosophers considered him as an existentialist, even though he firmly rejected the term through his lifetime. And in 1945, in an interview, he states that I am not an existentialist. Though he rejects to call himself as an existentialist, yet his themes and outlook are after cited as an example of existentialism. Before we go to discuss the outside an existentialist text, we should know, first of all we should know what is exactly an existentialism. So existentialism is defined as a philosophical theory or approach that emphasizes the existence of individual person as a free and responsible agent determining his or her own development through acts of the will. Existentialism is associated mainly with certain 19th and 20th century European thinker who, despite having many doctrinal differences, shared the belief in that beginning of the philosophical thinking. This philosophical movement is believed to have originated in the writings of 19th century, and it is in the book concluding a specific postscript by Soren Kierkegaard. The word existence is used for the first time and later popularized it in Europe as well as in the whole world. And the idea existentialism is not only limited to philosophy but spread across many literature also, such as Crime and Punishment by Russian author Fyodor Dostoevsky have seen the existential crisis to some extent, but the author has not mentioned any definition about it. And in the works of Franz Kafka, Albert Camus, and Sartre all through formulate a foundation of the whole existentialism thinking. The existential idea of human beings called nature and a true self is highly used, received throughout the literary works The Outsider by Albert Camus. Albert Camus showed his existentialist belief by using his characters to make social commentary on multiple social situations, including marriage, time, and society itself. It is through the novel's protagonist Marcel. The existentialist belief is reflected through his life experiences, his relationship with Mary, the death of his mother Maman, the murdering of the Arab, and Marcel's trial and execution, which show that Marcel's life has no meaning. And the first sentence of the novel, "Mother died today or yesterday maybe," I don't know, is enough to consider the novel as an existentialist text. Uh, and then the unattached response to the death of his mother shows Marcel's existentialism. He accepts life or death without looking for a deeper significance. When he gets to go Marengo for his mother's funeral, he doesn't even want to see the body. Instead of mourning, he sits back and relaxes, drinking coffee and smoking. Marcel seems more concerned about taking time off work to go to his mother's funeral that he has nothing to do with the actual death of his mother. And another aspect of the existentialism portrayed in The Outsider is that Marcel's focus is mainly on physical sensation with his relationship with Mary. He believes that life has no meaning other than existence itself. The way Marcel handles his mother's death also emphasizes the accept everything viewpoint that existentialist seems to have. Similarly, the killing of the Arab seemed meaningless to him. He states that he doesn't feel any true regret for the murder. And what is interesting is that before he shot the Arab, he never really had any intention to kill him. Even when the Arab withdrew the knife, it was the intense heat of the sun which made him feel uncomfortable and lead to him shooting. When he discovers he has to go to the court, he finds it difficult to understand. Throughout part 2, he refers how the situation is simple and that he must pay for action of murder. While in prison, Marcel seems constantly looking towards the future, imagining if he has to spend a long time in prison and how he will adjust. Again, the constantly looking forward in a very nature of existentialist, ignoring the past. At one point in the novel, he is standing by the sea and the sea says, I denied myself the water for a bit longer. The fact that he is denying himself shows that he is going against what his body craves, but in a sense that makes him more in control. And in a conclusion, we can say that the idea of existentialism is reflected in all of Camus' novels, but the novel is truly